Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're keeping things simple and yet delicious with these shallow fried sausages. I'm using this brand called Farmer's Choice, which has 10 pieces of beef sausages, and feel free to use any meat of choice. I'm going to separate them as shown. Once I'm done, I'll add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium heat or low heat. Then I will shallow fry the sausages. This gives them a beautiful golden brown crust while keeping the inside juicy and tender. This method is the easiest and fantastic way to make them evenly without using a lot of oil. You can already see the lovely color developing. Make sure to turn them occasionally to get that even browning on all sides. Remember, sausages take a minimum of 6 to maximum of 8 minutes to fully cook. And now they are beautifully cooked. I will drain excess oil and set aside. So next time try to shallow fry your sausages, a fantastic method with great result with less oil. Until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.